Another concept which is very popular, and of course it aids affiliate marketing considerably, is something called guest posts and blogging. Now you can create blogs, various articles which people will be interested in. The more popular and viral blogs relate to either travel or to fashion or to the automobile industry or also to the mobile industry, which are products and services which people buy in bulk as of today. You can invite people to put guest posts in return for some visibility to their websites as well. In the reverse, you can go ahead and on similar websites where your audience can be found, you can start sharing your guest posts provided the owner of that website allows it. This will increase the awareness of your knowledge and of your brand across various segments of the internet, which you can access through your partner's website. So, these are all low-cost methods to market your website in an effective and a low-cost manner. Thank you. Have a good day.